Hi there, Mike Brady with Generosity Wealth Management, a comprehensive full-service financial services firm headquartered in Boulder, Colorado. End of the quarter, the third quarter. I'm actually doing this the Friday before the end of the quarter, before October 1st. And this has been a wonderful quarter, a wonderful year. I mean, double digits returns for pretty much every unmanaged stock market index, American, US based. Bonds doing great, recovering unmanaged bond indexes from kind of a shellacking that they took back in 2022. A balance of stocks and bonds, if you kind of look at it, be a 50-50, we're looking at 7 out of 8 of the last quarters, including this quarter, have been positive, which is wonderful. If you recall, I've used this statistic over and over again. About 3 out of 4 on the unmanaged stock market index returns are positive, which means 1 out of 4 are negative usually. And when you can break the trend and you can have a real nice long history of many quarters coming together for a positive, that's wonderful. We'll take that every day. Now, I was joking with a client right before I made this video. He says, "Hey, Mike, things are looking great. Things are good in your world." And I said to this client, I'm like, "Yeah, you're right. I mean, these are the types of quarters and years that we live for. There's not much to say." And so therefore, I wanted to use this video not to have a technical conversation, because frankly, you can go to the internet and get so many opinions. You can go to 24/7 business news channels. Everybody's got an opinion, commentary, and I just don't want to pile onto that at this point when things are going well. I can sit here and tell you why things are doing well in the stock market, etc. But it's not so much information that you need anymore. It's about what the right information is. It's the wisdom. So I've been doing this since August of 1991. I've been in the financial industry, and that's 33 years. And back in 1991, you would have a competitive advantage if you were able to afford more information than your common person, okay, your common trader or investor. And you did that by having a Bloomberg terminal or Morningstar reports or Value Line or Investors Business Daily newspaper. We had information that maybe the common person couldn't afford or didn't have. Well, that's gone away. I mean, with the democratization of information through the internet, you're inundated with more data than you could ever use. And of course, you've got more pundits on TV. At the time, we didn't have the financial news every day. Today, what's more important, I think, and what I've learned over the last 3 decades, are all the other variables in the equation leading up to reaching your financial goals. That is good retirement analysis. Are you saving enough? What's your liquidity versus fixed and variable? Liquid and illiquid assets. What about the speed bumps along the way, like the ability to continue if you lose your ability to work, or loss of your spouse? All these bad things. It's better for us to spend a lot of our energy on these things that we can proactively address and kind of assess the risk towards, versus having a wonderful conversation about whether interest rates are going to go up or down and when it might do that. I mean, that's kind of interesting, kind of fun, I suppose. But you know what? We should have a portfolio that will weather over your time horizon, have a high probability that it will weather it just fine, whether they go up or down, whether the stock market goes down or up this quarter. Okay, that's the reason why one of the big questions I ask people is, what's your duration? What's your time horizon? Because that starts to inform the decision about the appropriate investments that might be appropriate for a client. So it's good to know, are you an investor or are you a trader? Because frankly, if you're watching this video, you're an investor. If you're my client, you're an investor, because traders are not attracted to me. I don't believe that long term, that is the wise choice. We've got to have our duration, keep things in perspective, the right duration, and have a plan for how to get there, and focus all of our energy on those things that we might be able to control, like Am I saving enough? What are my expenses? Taxes, okay? Am I maximizing all the tax opportunities towards that are afforded me? Those are the things that I believe we should spend the majority of these videos and our time in order to reach your financial goals. Mike Brady, Generosity Wealth Management. Before I sign off, though, I wanted to let you know that there's some exciting stuff coming in the next 3 to 4 months. I set up a couple new businesses. It's all going to be under the moniker of Generosity Group. Generosity Wealth Management, which you're used to, you're my client, or you know because you watch these videos, Generosity Wealth Management. My wife, who has been an attorney since 1999, is going to pivot her specialty towards estate planning. So we're going to have Generosity Estate Planning, a wholly separate business run by my wife, practicing attorney here in Colorado, Generosity Estate Planning. And then the third is Generosity Business Exit Planning, which is focused on business owners, kind of the personal life, the finances of the business owners, and and also their needs after they sell the business, for those that are going to sell their business in the next 3 to 5 years, or at least want to get ready so that they can sell it when they choose, not when someone else chooses. Maybe they get sick, or they're not able to, or they die. You sell it when you want to because your business is all ready. So that's kind of my third business. I'm also bringing in a business partner. It doesn't affect you. My clients will remain my clients. Her clients will remain her clients, and we will do joint work together and have other collaborative opportunities. She's going to be under Generosity Wealth Management's kind of umbrella as well. So that's really exciting, and I'm looking forward to you getting to know her. So lots of exciting stuff going on. Even more when we talk in person, I'll share with you. But this has been 2023 was a tough year for me. I had some personal struggles, not me per se, but just lots of going on in my life and my family and other things, and got through 2023. 2024 has been the exact opposite. It's just been one of the best years in my 55 years of living. So anyway, Mike Brady, Generosity Wealth Management, 303-747-6455. Thanks. Bye-bye.